The following hints and tips apply to all GESIPA Taurus series tools. Here are examples for the Taurus 2. If the rivet is not set, please first check the compressed air supply to the tool. Then make sure that the operating air pressure is sufficient. All Taurus series tools operate at 5 to 7 bar. Dirty jaws can cause further malfunction. Please first disconnect the tool from the compressed air supply and release the head with a number 24 flat wrench. Then release the jaw mechanism with a number 14 and a number 17 flat wrench. You can now clean the jaws. Grease the inside of the jaw casing with a high-quality bearing grease. You can now reinsert the jaws. Regular cleaning significantly increases the lifespan of the jaws. Rusty or blunt jaws impede the grip mechanism and may cause malfunction. Worn jaws should always be replaced. A loose jaw mechanism may block the riveting process. Remove the head. Check the jaw mechanism and tighten it. Now reinstall the head and your Taurus is ready for use again. GESIPA wishes you years of fun at work. Reliable, practical, in proven quality. GESIPA, the experts in blind rivet technology.